guys, today we will be unboxing part 2 of MOJ MOJ surprises. We're going to open the yellow one. Last time we opened the blue one, so be sure to check it out right at this corner over here. Right there. So let's just, I got some scissors, so that just in case, because last time I think we had to use some scissors. And it also comes in plastic. You can see up here. This time it's blue plastic. It's yellow, but it has pink wrapping. So I guess let's just start opening. But first, there's 32 collect, Serious Star. It's MOJ MOJ minis, and they're 5 and above. Let's open. Oh, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. I really hope you guys just subscribed, because that would mean a lot to us. And if you subscribe, then there's going to be way more videos. Here, it's like yellow and clear. You can see this part. And then that you can open it. They come with stickers, collector's guide, and this black thing. I feel something in there. We better open it up. Okay, what did we get? What did we get? Oh, I see some brown in there. Guys, we got a cookie. I love cookies and what's in it. Ooh, we got a see-through. We got a see-through unicorn. I love unicorns and cookies. Let's see what we got on the collector's guide. From last video, I really wanted to get the cookie. Let's see. So I think we got one of the foodies, which is a common over here. And like this is really cute. As you can see, there's like a unicorn here, which is like glittery. I don't think you can probably see much glitter on the camera, but it's like really glittery. And okay, so I am not going to tell you guys which one I got last time. So you guys just have to press on that video to find out. I love cookies so much. Squishy squish. And out comes the unicorn. Wait, where did it go? Where did it go? Where did the unicorn go? There's a unicorn. And you can also put it back in the capsule. And the stickers over here are really cute. We can try to put this thing on, because last time we could not. You just fold it like this, I believe. Let's try to do it. And I think we did it. Let's just check out the stickers that we got. So it looks like we got a cow in a chicken costume, which has a bunny pop that it pops out. And we have like, let's see what this is. I don't really know. Oh, it's a cupcake that squeezes out a rainbow. But on here it says it squeezes out a cat. So I guess they did it wrong. And also with this. So we got it on. I love unicorns. If you've been watching my channel, you guys would know that I love unicorns. And be sure to like this video and subscribe. But first, let's see. You can subscribe now, but let's first, if you could hit the notification bell in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have comments, comment #MOJ MOJ. So squishy, so soft. It's gone again. Where did it go? I love how you like to make it disappear and then you can make it reappear. That's like I really love about these. I am not going to tell you what I got next time. Last time I meant. And there's also going to be another one with this one. You can also put all of these back inside. Just put them back inside for a good ending. It's the end now, but before this video ends, I want you guys to tap on my circle right next to the subscribe button, and make sure that subscribe button says subscribe and it's gray instead of red. So you can see lots of videos that I have made, including this one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!